We are targeting today complex business processes with high levels of technology. Traditionally, if you see on the top left-hand corner, we have the traditional ITO, BPO players who are very competent in handling complex business processes, but have been unable to apply high levels of technology or replicate the technology across multiple customers. On the bottom right-hand corner, we have vendors or players who are very, very successful in the application of technology, but are unable to replicate that across multiple complex business processes. What we have done is been able to combine complex business processes with high levels of technology enablement that allows us to replicate these processes, creating this hybrid synergy between the best of these two worlds. A significant competitive advantage for us is our big community service delivery framework. It allows us to marry our complex business processing capability with technology enablement. Right? This gives us the ability to replicate complex business processes using the same technology base, giving us large economies of scale. We've been able to demonstrate this capability at the Ministry of Education in Malaysia with the learning platform, and also with the ticketing platform in Kuala Lumpur that links the airport with the city center. So we're looking at replicating the success that we've had with the Ministry of Education in Malaysia with other countries. Our target market is primarily emerging economies. The reason for this is a lot of these countries are looking at education as a way out of poverty and into the next economic growth area. Most of these countries also are implementing or purchasing deals at the national level or at the statewide level. What the advantage for us is therefore the deals that we are dealing with are 5,000 to 20,000 schools rather than individual school one by one. Right? This plays to our strength as a large systems integrator, allows us to bring all the vendors and subcomponents that are required for the delivery of the solution. So our ticketing platform is an excellent example of our technology enablement strategy. What we have done is installed a ticketing system for the train service that links the airport in Malaysia with the city center, Kuala Lumpur. Here we've done is we've replaced the traditional contactless card, similar to what you have with the Oyster card, with no card because everything's in the phone. So what the rail system achieves is a much lower operating cost because they avoid the cost of the contactless card. The second advantage that we have done is we've treated the community of commuters that are traveling through the train as a community that is known to us as opposed to anonymous commuters, which is traditionally what's happened with other rail services. This allows the rail service to offer value-added services that commuters appreciate and create additional revenue for the rail service. This clearly differentiates our offering from other ticketing systems.